everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So here I am coming along with another Craspire project share, and as you guys, if you guys remember from my last video, this is a whole set. I started melting my stuff. Anyways, this is a whole set that you receive. You would have to cut these with an X-Acto knife or a knife, and you got to be really careful because, as you guys know, knives, X-Acto knives are really sharp, so be careful with your fingers when you cut these out. Craspire does sell the cut up wax, in little pieces, so look out for those. They have amazing colors, so wow. Anyway, so I had to cut these out before I started doing my project, and it also comes with these pen, and I actually have this on, so see how clumsy I am. So be very careful, make sure there is nothing in your way. So because this is a fire hazard, make sure you have a cup of water or something to cover this, so that way it is not glass of water, so that way if something happens, you make sure it you have the water accessible. So there you go. There's markers, as you guys saw from my last projects. This is some of the items I created, and this one was actually my very first one, and due to technical difficulties, something happened to my camera where I recorded, so I wasn't able to record my first impression, but this was my second one, I believe, or one of these were my second one. So these were better. There you go. And this was one of my last ones, and I love this one. This one came out beautifully. I love how the thank you is so detailed right there. So there you go. So this is already going, and I am actually gonna add another one right there. It's actually flaming up really high. Last time I didn't have that, so I have smoke going on, as you guys could see. And oh, I know why, because I want to say because of the wax on the bottom. There's wax on the bottom. So what I do is I actually clean it off on the bottom with a piece of towel. Okay, so maybe that's why it was burning up a little higher than what it usually does. Anyways, you can also use any other things. So I also wanted it, while this was melting, I also wanted to share with you guys the papers that Craspire actually has. If you guys saw my unboxing, they had 8 different pieces of papers, and it comes with the envelopes, and I'm gonna have to be very careful on how I show you guys this. Might do a flip through more towards the end because I don't want to catch fire here or anything. So anyway, so this is just a little glimpse, and there's 4 sheets in little packaged already with their envelopes. So it's already individually packaged with 4 sheets and 2 envelopes. So here is a quick flip. And then I also wanted to show you what I created with these. So actually I wanted to do something different, and I wanted to do mostly like a little junk journal. So this is what I ended up creating. So what I ended up doing was I ended up cutting this in halfways, and then I ended up folding it, and this is what I came up with. So there you go. I already had this as a scrap, so I went ahead and used it on here. And this is my little book. So anyways, you could do your little notes, you could draw, you could put pictures in here, you could do anything you want. And these are the beautiful images of these. Oh my goodness. You could do, like, for those junk journal people, oh my goodness, you guys could do so much with this. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my gosh. And the paper is so nice and soft. And there you go. And this is what it looks like. And there you go. I hope you guys like this. And this was an awesome, different idea that I wanted to try out. And I love it. So just, and then on the back, it just basically repeats with the image on this side, because of course I made it into like a little booklet. And there you go. Isn't that cute? Look at the images, you guys. So these are half the images of the paper. And look at that. Like I said, You could do your journaling. You could, you know, put pictures in it. And for those junk journals, like, oh my goodness, you guys will have so much fun with these. Look at these. There you go. There you go. And there you go. So that's what I ended up creating. Hope you guys like that. And let's go ahead and do some more wax seals. So I wanted to show you, I pre-cut these. Make sure you do have some pre-cut so you are prepared, and that's what they look like. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys. I have these different, I'm going to turn this around. I'm not advertising anybody else. So there you go. I am making these rosettes, and I actually wanted to put like a small wax seal on here and see how that comes. So let's go ahead and try it out, and let me go ahead and be prepared. So I have this mat, and let's go ahead and see. This looks like it's really melted already, and let me prepare my image of which I want to use. So I want to use the heart one, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make sure it's on here. And let's go ahead, and I don't know why I like doing the little U. Wait a few minutes. While you wait a few minutes, you can actually take that wax off of that on the bottom. My wax might be a little less than what I was wanting. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it around. This is actually my second time doing the wax seals. The first time was the project share that I guys showed you. So this is still really melted. Must be really hot. So let's go ahead and do the heart. Just leave it like that for a few seconds. Don't move it or do anything. And there you go. And while I do that, maybe I could do another one. So let's go ahead and do this one since I have wax in here. So that's kind of exciting that you have, and that's actually the first time that I've actually tried moving the wax around. Like I said, this is my second attempt or my second video and my second day working with these. So it has a little bit bubbles, but don't get scared. There shouldn't be a problem. And then let's try the thank you. And this one, thank you, it doesn't matter the way you have it, because of course your image around is okay. And let's go ahead and try this, and let's take that off. And there you guys go. Look at you guys. Oh my gosh, this is so, I like the color combination. There you go. You guys see that? And as you guys know, I have my colors, and I could actually put this in here in my rosette and just glue it on here, and there you go. So there's one, and let me try it. I wanted to try it on one of these. So let's go ahead and do that here. Let's see how this turns out. I'm gonna use it all on this one. Clean that on the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and put another wax seal in there. Let's go ahead and take that off. Oh, look at you guys. Look how pretty. Look at how the colors come out. So beautiful. I love it. And I actually wanted to try it on something else as well. So I went ahead and let it cool down a little bit. Okay, this has a little bit more wax, so do be careful when you put it on there. And I also wanted to try it on, where did I put it on? Oh, I wanted to try it on this. See how that works. So let's go ahead, and that's why I have this rubbery thing in here. Love how this looks, and all I have to do is, maybe I could color some of it in with my markers. And as you guys saw last time, I love these markers, and I'm just gonna color him up so he could fit in. And there you go. Let's see if this one's ready. I usually count about 15-30 seconds, so I am pretty sure, no, it's still stuck in there, so I will wait not gonna, don't force anything if it's not coming out soon or anything. If it's not getting off, it's not, don't force it, because the image might not get imprinted. I haven't tried just pulling it off right away. I'm assuming that, let me see, I wanted to do the heart one in here, so let's try this. Ooh, look at you guys, isn't that cool? Oh my goodness, look at you guys, this was like a perfect one. Awesome. So let me go ahead and try. But you guys could see, I don't know if you guys could see that there's a little, it's not completely melted. So I can wait, and maybe, I actually wanted to do it on this one too and put a thank you stamp on that one. So this is the thank you one. There you go. I will do the thank you stamp on here. And when you tilt it to the side, make sure you're doing it slowly. Don't do it too fast because you don't want it to like. And this is, like I said, this is the first time I'm doing this. Might need a little bit more. No. Looks like it's ready actually. Go ahead and do it like that. Leave it there. Let's go ahead and do this one. This one's my last one. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. Like I said, I am so clumsy, you guys, that look at, see how the wax, I don't know if you guys could see, my wax is already on my mat over here. So you might want to put some other barrier protection on your mat or your working station. And this looks like it's going to melt my ribbon. But look at the colors, oh my goodness. Might not be enough wax. Let's see if this one's finished. Yes, it is. And it was not enough wax, but look at how pretty it looks. Let me see. Let me go ahead and color it while we wait. I'm gonna use a gold marker. Oh, I just love these markers. I love the thank you. The thank you is just like, oh my goodness, beautiful. And there you go. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my goodness on that. Oh my goodness. And let me just do the last one. Let's do it on this one. Just waste all my wax in here. So I kind of understand why you would have to go on a circular motion if you want to do a circular motion. That way all your wax is evenly and it doesn't get all bulky. As you guys saw, I have to move it around so it and this is just my way of doing it, you guys. There's no, I don't think there is a perfect way of doing this, so let me see. Thank you. I think you just go anywhere. And there you go. And if it's in a cold weather, if you're in a cold weather, try not to wait too long, because if you wait, your wax might cool off sooner than you can imagine. And look at this, you guys. So I kind of did not notice that my wax was sideways. It ended up going sideways. So, but you know what? If you put this on a card or something, your image will be on the side if you put it lengthways. So awesome. And let me color this one because we're still waiting for the other one to finish. And I just wanted to thank everybody for taking the time to watch. I will link Craspire and all their items that I received from them on the description below, so you guys could go over, check them out, check out their other items, check out their wax, their individual little wax. They have so many colors, so many beautiful colors. And thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. And then let's go ahead and finish this one right here. And oh, it came out perfect. Look at you guys. I love it. So let's do the silver one on this one. So this concludes my Craspire project shares, and hopefully Craspire, thank you for allowing me to review your products and to showcase them. I do love them. They are beautiful, and oh my goodness, you guys, look at this one. Oh my goodness, this is a perfect one right here. So again, thank you, Craspire. You guys are amazing. Your products are amazing. Loving the wax seals for this being my first tries. I love it. So again, everybody, I will link everything down under description below. Go ahead, check them out. Yay, thank you. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.